Honorable Chief Guest, respected staff, of course, the student of CCCL, welcome to Jubilant Pride Library Trade Presentation. This is a food production trade presentation, and I am your host, Umar Dagdil. So before we begin, I would like to tell you guys a bit about cooking and its history. Cooking is also defined as a scientific process, and the main aim of the cooking is to see that the food is cooked and is also edible and acceptable. If I tell you guys a brief history about before millennials of age, in astonishment, people used to live in caves and eat raw meat. And we can also learn our ancestors. Once one of our ancestors has built up a fire to warm himself, and accidentally what he did was he placed a chunk of meat in front of that fire. And later on, he observed that the meat is cooking the fire, and later he tasted the meat, and the meat has become more flavorful and more tender. And from that moment, the cooking has evolved to reach the present level of sophistication. And without wasting any time, let's begin our live presentation. This year we are blindfold cutting, plating, carving, deboning of chicken, and different dishes, different types of cooking. And our first participant is Master Kasan Tashila, who is going to cut all the vegetables blindfolded. And yeah, that's a superpower right there, because most of the people can cut probably with their eyes open. And he's going to do that with the blindfold on. Just begin with the work. And our next participant is Master Sindashila, who is the butcher of our class. And the butcher means the one who handles the road. And he's going to show us the cutting of chicken and deboning of chicken. Please begin the work. And from here, please participant, introduce yourself and your dishes, please.
Reached the carving session. I am Princess Namo, and my partner here is Basit Singla. We present here food carving. So if we take a look at my three watermelon, I have crafted this Tibetan scenery, and this is a fish with golden fins, and then I have crafted a pig dedicated purposely for His Holiness the 14th Dalai Lama's zodiac sign, which is a pig, and also a tribute for his upcoming 90th birthday. And if you take a look at my partner here, he has finished the fruit bucket, and he is, as you can see, is very pretty, and he is completing this pipe shape. He got the dedication from the anime CD he watched, legendary. I know all of you may know. One Piece. Does you know? Yes! So he got the dedication from that, and he created this food bucket for this pipe. And I will let him finish, and I will let him to the other one. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Rohit, and today I choose Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Rohit. Today my choice of plating is
greetings to our honorable teachers, respected teachers, and my dear friends. As for today, I have prepared different cuisines. In this world, there are numerous types of cuisines, and the most top 7 cuisines are Chinese, Indian, Italian, Mexican, French, and so on. So, with the little time, I have prepared 4 different types of cuisine. The first cuisine that I have prepared is Indian cuisine. The first dish is Kerala Baranda, which is from a South Indian dish, and a Karai Paneer, which is a North Indian dish. And for the second dish, I have prepared Korean cuisine, that is kimbap. And the third dish is Italian cuisine, that is spaghetti pasta. And the fourth dish is from Chinese cuisine, which is spicy spongy potato. And the main taste for this dish is come from the spices. And as for Indian Chinese cuisine, these are made within 5 to 10 minutes. Thank you.
So, good evening everyone, and my name is Kamachini Dume and I'm from food production. So I made this dish called flying noodles, where this is originated from the Chinese cuisine, and it also known for eye-catching presentation. So this flavor, this dish flavor is like kind of sweet and sour, and I found this dish very unique, and the style is very kind of like very styleful. So I wanted to recreate this, and I hope you guys like it. Thank you.
So, good evening. Myself, Ima, So today, the dish we are going to talk about is lasagna, the continental dish, which is very popular. Lasagna is a popular Italian dish which is established in 14th century. It has a very long and rich history. The main thing we know all about, like how I make things and which ingredients which I use. The main is cheese, red sauce, vegetable sauce, the main lasagna sheet, and also is the method which I use to cook this is baking, and yeah, it's very famous, especially United States, Canada, and also in Italy, the main, and also the other countries like Germany, Australia, United Kingdom, they also prefer to eat and they also enjoy eating this dish. Yeah, thank you all.
Good evening, everyone. I represent your food production. I am presenting a dish called chicken carbon blue, a dish of chicken rolls stuffed with ham and cheese. It is originated from both Switzerland and France. This recipe is found as early as 1955, first mentioned in the New York Times in 1967. It became popular in USA during the 1960s and 1970s. This chicken carbon blue is in various forms with different meat, cheese, and preparation methods. Thank you.
Good evening to everyone. I am Mr. Momo from Food Production Trade. Today I am here to present you all on different types of dim sum. So when you go to a restaurant, you can see many different types of dumplings, and they have different colors and shapes. So as you all know that dumplings though are making of mix wheat flour and flour. So every dumplings has different stuffings like veg and non-veg. As you can see that here are some dumplings which look very delicious and juicy and colorful. So this one is half moon and this one is kopi momo. And thank you.
Okay, let's see Masha Prasanna she has done this work. Okay. Ingredient this one is called wedges, which is like orange shape, and this one is called slice or soya. Shredding, also known known as julienne, and this one is called slice, and this is called fine chop, which is mostly used in chopperies. And you have done a great job. Can you have a round of applause for the masala chef? The butcher man, he has cut all the chicken, and this piece of the chicken is called wings, and this piece is called legs, and this one is breast. And now he's going to show us how to debone the chicken. Okay, while he's working, I would like to review other participant dishes. And I really want to know what is the name of the dish. What do you call this dish? Okay. This dish right here looks very healthy. Yes, this dish is for the people who are very health conscious and who us to work out. And I really like this design of flying grill. Like the creativity that they use for this. Another one of us for the master commercial of this. Let's go back to the Masaki Tashira. And he's almost done this deboning of chicken. And yes, the one should be very great to handle the raw meat, because a lot of people were disgusted with handling the raw meat, and some people started to vomit while handling the raw meat. And are you done? Yes, he's done this. You have done a great job. Can you have a round of applause for the master? Seriously, please. Okay, that's our presentation, and hope you guys have gained some knowledge. And now I would like to express my gratitude towards this institution. This institution is not just taught us skill trade, but it also taught us life skill, like how to take the responsibilities and how to be the courageous one. And also there's things like that they taught us, and as I'm very grateful to this institution, I am and I will be very grateful. And I'm very grateful to all the staffs who support us, and also special thanks to our trade teachers, Yesolamra and Edojinapara, who is the reason we are making us this. And yes, without them we can't make food like this. And many of our honor was for both of them, please. Okay, now lastly I would like to thank all the participants who worked very hard for the presentation. Thank you all for your attention, and thank you all for your support and love. Thank you all.
Good evening to all. Today is the Indian trade skill presentation. So here is the baker dictionary who would like to present you some products and their method. First of all, I would like to ask one question to our audience. Do you want to know what they are making and who they are? Okay, now I will introduce each person and what they were making. First of all, his name is Station Chen, and he is making a fountain cake. Fountain cake. Fountain cake is edible icing which we can be shaped and roll and cook it. And it can, which we can store it in the room temperature, and whenever we get a large size of cake, we have to store it in the room temperature. So we make the cake by a fountain cake and store it in the room temperature at a long time. And the second one is, his name is Tete Pasam, and he's making a shoe caramel. Shoe caramel is a French dessert, and it is made by flour, butter, and sugar, and pinch of salt. Choux is a French name called in a French word. The choux is after cabbage. For the top of the shoe, we need a flour and brown sugar, and also the and brown sugar, flour, and egg. And for the base, we need flour, milk, water, and also the cream
crocodile braid, and ये जो है ये multiply. And here is the lemon cheese to play and the swan. After that, we have to need the fountain and shape into a different cake. And after that, we have to put the buttercream from the outside and cover it with the fountain.
मुझे डायलॉग याद आ जाए ना, क्या मैं बोल सकती हूँ?
हाँ आप बोल सकते हैं।
दुनिया बहुत छोटी है भाई और बहनों, दुनिया बहुत छोटी है भाई और बहनों। वही जैसे हमारे इस बेगर्स को देखिए, बस अपने मंजिल की ओर जाते हुए कितना अच्छा लग रहा है, देखिए वो जैसे हम सभी को बस स्टॉप के सामने चलना चाहिए। और ये क्या बना रहे थे? ये जो शू कैरेक्टर है, ये जो ना फ्रेंच डेजर्ट है। क्या इसका तो क्या बात है?
We have to whisk the cream, and when the cream becomes thick, then we have to fill inside it.
और ये क्या है? ये पिंक वगैरह क्या है?
ये एक शू कैरेक्टर का टॉप है। जैसे कि हम लोग लोकल लैंग्वेज हम लोग तो ऐसे बोलते हैं कि जैसे केक जैसा बोलते हैं ना, जो हम टॉपी पहनता है, इसका जैसा कि इसमें केक टॉप होता है। और इसके लिए हम ब्राउन शुगर और ये होता है ब्राउन शुगर, फ्लावर और बटर चाहिए।
मतलब ये टॉपी जैसे पहनते हैं, तो इसलिए मतलब फ्लावर की तरह ये सजा रहे हैं।
हाँ
वाह, मतलब बहुत एक्साइटेड है कि नहीं? और ये तो
He's making icing cake.
और ये आइसिंग केक और उसमें कौन सा डिफरेंस है?
आइसिंग केक जो क्या है, वो हम लोग रूम टेम्परेचर में स्टोर नहीं कर सकते हैं। और फाउंटेन केक जो हम लोग रूम टेम्परेचर में स्टोर कर सकते हैं, जैसे कि 2 दिन या 3 दिन इतना स्टोर कर सकते हैं। पर ये फाउंटेन केक के लिए हम लोग को डीप फ्रीजर में डालना पड़ेगा।
अच्छा ठीक है, तो मुझे बहुत खुश हो रहा है ना ये सब देख के। मतलब बर्थडे तरफ में भी मनाए जाते हैं कि नहीं ना?
Yes. For the icing cake, we need a sponge cake. For the sponge, I will tell you the ingredients. For the sponge, we need a flour, sugar, egg, and vanilla essence. First, we have to separate the egg yolk and egg white, and mix the egg white till it becomes smooth. After that, we have to add the sugar and mix it 2 or 3 minutes. After that, we have to add the flour and egg yolk and vanilla essence, and take the sponge mold and butter paper, cut the butter paper and fill inside the sponge mold and grease it with the oil, and after that put the mixture in it and bake 190 to 200 degrees Celsius at 15 to 18 minutes, and after that whisk the cream until it becomes thick. After that you can do the icing.
पूरा काटा ही काटा नजर आ रहा है। वाह देखो इतना सुंदर लग रहा है, पर ये डेकोरेशन देखो इतना प्यारा है। वाह क्या है मतलब ये?
It is a crocodile braid.
ओके क्रोकोडाइल, मतलब मगरमच्छ है।
Yes, crocodile braid. Crocodile braid is a braid which crocodile braid is a braid which is shaped in a crocodile, and it's a traditional braid, and it present in veterinary wedding ceremonies, and it's symbol as everlasting love and natural fertility in a wedding.
ओके, तो ये क्रोकोडाइल को देखिए, मुझे इतना प्यारा सा एक शायरी याद आ रहा है, कुछ नहीं ना? तो क्या मैं सुनाऊं?
आप सुनाइए।
ओके, तो फूल है गुलाब का, है कि नहीं? फूल है गुलाब का, कांटा तो हो गए। फूल है गुलाब का, कांटा तो हो गए। वो जैसे हमारे क्रोकोडाइल में सुंदर सा ये देखिए, ये पूरा शादी में ये सब अभी इसने बोला है शादी में ये चल रहे थे कि नहीं? तो वही जैसे बाद में हम भी शादी होगा तो यही मंगाना पड़ेगा, है कि नहीं ना? और ये क्या बना रहे? फ्लावर और
है कि नहीं, इतना प्यारा बना रहे। क्या है ये जो मर्जीपान है, मर्जीपान which we can decorate on the cake and it also decorates in the pastries. And first we have to take icing sugar and milk, I think. And after that, mix all the ingredients together and heat properly. And you can take you can shape in different types. Like example, like the carrots and vegetable and fruits and flowers and also the animals.
ओके, तो ये सब देखो, ये कैरेट है, यहाँ से पूरा चूचा है कि नहीं, पूरा दिखाई दे रहा है, ये पूरा गोला गोला है कि नहीं। बस ये देखो, ये क्या है, ये क्या है, एप्पल। ओ शायद ये एप्पल हो सकता है कि नहीं ना। तो ये दोनों को भी देखो ना, बस एप्पल जैसे गोला सा है कि नहीं, ये बैठा है कि नहीं ना। बस बनाते जाने ये मतलब जैसे कि प्यार हो जाते हैं कि नहीं। ये तो क्या है, ये इतना प्यारा। वाह, हम तो बहुत एक्साइटेड हो रहे हैं ये सब देख के।
It is a lemon cheese souffle. Lemon cheese souffle appeared in a 8th century presented by Valentina Danilis, and by 1841 it became more popular, and the most expensive souffle is Patisson secret souffle. It is a French dessert.
ओके, तो मतलब आप ये खाने की इतना लगा हो गया। वाओ, ये कितना बड़ा चोला है। मैं तो डर गया इसके साथ चोला हाइट मेरा से भी कितना छोटा सा लग रहा है कि नहीं ना। और ये क्या बना रहे हैं लीची चुटकर? आप क्या बना रहे हैं बहन?
मैं सॉन्ग बना रहा हूँ।
ओह अच्छा, तो ये क्या है, यहाँ पे करेगा?
Swan is the shoe base, and which we can decorate in a cake, and also we can eat as a pastry. And it is a showstopper presentations, and it is very delicious.
देखो ना, ये सुंदर है कि नहीं। ये सोन देखो, सोन वाओ, जैसे कि पानी तरह में डाल आज ये बहुत में आए, कितना मतलब खुश महसूस हो रहा है कि मतलब ये सब देखने को मिल रहा है। आप लोगों को भी मतलब ये एक्साइटेड हो रहे होगा कि नया रेसिपीज वगैरह देखने मिल रहे हैं कि नहीं। अच्छा, मतलब आप सभी लोग इतना एंजॉय करेंगे मतलब ये सब देखना, मुझे भी देखना खुश हुआ है।
मैंने आपको बोला था कि मर्जीपान को डिफरेंट वे में बनाते थे। ये फ्लावर,
वाह, देखो ये कितना सुंदर है। देखो देखो आप सभी लोग।
और इधर में है कि ये फ्रूट्स और वेजिटेबल्स।
वाह, देखो ये, इसको देख के तो वाह, मैं तो खाने का मन कर रहा है। कितना सुंदर है ये देखो, ये देखो सुंदर से देखो। पर क्या करूँ ना, आप खा नहीं पा रहे। मैं बहुत ज्यादा खा रहा हूँ, मेरा पेट पूरा फूल गया है। ओके, तो मतलब आप ये क्या बना रहे हैं? सुंदर से मतलब डेकोरेशन किया है, इतना सुंदर से डेकोरेशन किया है फ्लावर के साथ, ये चॉकलेट वगैरह। वाह, मैं तो बहुत खुश हो रहा है। क्या आप एक्सप्लेन करेंगे?
वो मेरा नाम काशी है। ये लेमन चीज सूफले है, और ये इसके लिए इंग्रेडिएंट जो एक योग और क्रीम चीज और क्रीम और ब्रेन शुगर चाहिए।
ओ अच्छा, तो मतलब जितना सुंदर से इसने बोला है उतना सुंदर से देखो, इसका हाइट पूरा कितना लंबा होता है कि नहीं। वाह, अच्छा, तो मतलब काशी, इफ यू डन दिस, क्या बोलते हैं?
Yes, I'm done. This is food and paste, and we have to like 20 to 25 minutes. Because of time limit, we can't say now. So
working shoe care.
Yes.
ठीक है, very simple.
I will let you know about this recipe. We need a 250 ml and water 250 ml and flour 285 and 285 gram, and we need a sugar 5 gram and salt 3 gram. And for this cap, you can see this pink color. This is a cap but inside this is called shoe paste. And for the cap, we use for cookies recipe. I will explain the recipe of cookies. And we need a 100 flour and 100 water, and we need flour 100. That's all. Thank you.
Okay, thank you बाला। और आप ये क्या बना रहे हैं?
फॉन्डेंट केक।
Okay, ये केक और वो केक में कौन सा फर्क है?
उस केक में फॉन्डेंट इस्तेमाल होती है और क्रीम वाला केक है।
Okay, और इसमें जो फाउंडेन शुगर यूज किया है?
Yes.
ओके, ठीक है। तो ये खा के मीन्स आप भी बहुत लंबा हो चुका है कि नहीं? तो ठीक है, थैंक यू सो मच। आपने ये दिखाया है और ये कितना सुंदर से डेकोरेशन कर रहे हैं। देखते जाओ कितना सुंदर है। वाह, हैप्पी बर्थडे। तो संगीत अभी आप बताओ ये क्या बना रहे हैं? आप बोलते जाओ, बनाते जाओ, मैं माइक।
This is cake resin, which is very famous. We always use during the wedding days and also in the birthday days and even in any kind of celebrations. Thank you.
ओके, तो इतना सुंदर से बोला है इसने, जैसे कि केक बना रहे हैं, खुद ऐसे बना रहे हैं, कितना सुंदर है। देखो ना, खाते खाते सब इतना लंबा, कोई छोटा, कोई लंबा, एक के पास हमारा बेबी में ऐसे चल रहे हैं कि ना, वाह, हम तो बहुत ज़्यादा एक्साइटेड हो रहे हैं सभी को देखकर। और ये देखो, वेरी वेरी प्रीटी, बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है ये। और ये देखो, ये सुहाग को देखो। दादू आप कुछ बताइए इसके बारे में, लेकिन यार कितने सुंदर से बनाए हैं, प्लीज बताइएगा।
A song है और यूट्यूब से बनाते हैं और यूट्यूब से डिजाइन करा हुआ है अंदर पे, और वर्ड पे आइसिंग शुगर स्प्लिट करा हुआ है। और इसके जो डिजाइन है जो केक के ऊपर भी रख सकते हैं और केक की डिजाइन तरीका से बना सकते हैं।
ओके, थैंक यू सो मच।